Atlassian has just dropped their Team 25 session catalog, and in this video, I'm going to show you what sessions you absolutely have to go to, and also tell you the one that you just cannot miss. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and check out that link down below, because if you're going to be at Team 25, I want to meet up with you, so let's connect on LinkedIn. Link information is in the description down below. All right, so here we are, in-person session catalog. So if you are attending Team 25, you most likely received an email from Atlassian telling you, hey, here's what's going on. And in this video, we're gonna recap the 3-day sessions and kind of give you some tips, some tricks, some pointers, a little bit of insider information on what I know and what you should expect if you're coming to Team 25. Extra kudos, let me know in the comments, is this your first Team 25? I'm curious to find out, so let me know down in the comment section down below. All right, first off, things kick off on Tuesday. Now, notice that the first stuff that's happening is at 3:30 p.m. These are late sessions. Tuesday is a very, very late start. The expo usually opens around 3 p.m. And so plan accordingly. If you're hoping to get sessions in the morning on Tuesday, this is not going to happen. Almost everything's going to start in the afternoon. And so we have a theater session, a learning session, a couple things happening around 3:30 in the afternoon. The one you want to watch out for, though, is this 5:30 p.m. to 6:15. This is the opening keynote where Atlassian is going to be talking with the F1 folks, right? So this year, Atlassian is really pushing their F1 Atlassian Williams Racing thing that they're doing. And so we're going to get to start your engines and talk with Atlassian Williams Racing. So I'm very excited for this session. It's always great to hear other perspectives, that this is more just like a casual couch conversation where I'm assuming MCB, the CEO of Atlassian, will be with members of this F1 racing team. Now, last year, we got to listen to an AI conversation with a couple of researchers and people in the AI space. And so this is kind of, again, very casual. Now, after that, there will be a welcome reception. So just think of light snacks, finger foods, if you will, very casual, mainly in the expo hall. So that's going to be up until 8 p.m. And so at 8 p.m., I'm heading off to a rooftop party. And so I'm looking forward to that, but there will be other sessions and other things to do. But Tuesday, things are basically from 3 to 8. After 8 p.m., you're kind of on your own for that, but definitely check out to see if there's any events happening. Now, Wednesday, the next day, this is the beginning. This is the true start to the Atlassian conference. 8 a.m. breakfast. Don't miss out. It's usually a pretty good continental breakfast. I really like it, but make sure you're there at 8 a.m. And then what is weird here, what I'm not seeing, is the main keynote. Now, I'm assuming that they just left it off the calendar because I see a big gap between 9 and 11. I'm assuming that that's going to be the keynote. So I would, if I was a betting person, I would just assume that that keynote, those details are being locked in or something. But 9 to 11 is this gap that I'm seeing. That's when I would expect that main keynote. And this is where Atlassian's leadership team takes the stage and they let us know about all the fun and exciting things coming into the world of Atlassian. Full disclosure and spoilers, they usually take a whole year to release those features, so don't get too excited. We learned about Rovo last year, and very few people have access to Rovo. We learned about the Jira UI update last year, and those are slowly being rolled out today. So again, whatever they announce, expect at least 10, 11, 12 months before you actually see it. But Wednesday is the only, I repeat, Wednesday is the only full day. And so you will see things from 8 a.m. all the way down to about 6 p.m. Now, there are events, a lot of partners. I think Wednesday we'll be having like dinners. There is a happy hour where there's just a bunch of alcohol and, again, finger foods and stuff like that to eat around in the expo hall. But if you're expecting like a full meal, you're going to want to make some dinner plans after 6 p.m. And yeah, but Wednesday is the only full day for Atlassian. Now, as we go over to Thursday, this is the most important thing. So if you're still watching with me, I'm going to scroll down to the most important session here. So on Thursday at 3:15 p.m., yours truly, will be having a learning session. It's going to be about an hour and a half from 3:15 to 4:45. And what I really, really like about this is that the expo hall usually closes around 2. I hear this year it's going to close around 3. I'm doing a live stream on the Jira Live from 2 to 3. And so naturally, I'm going to walk over to my session at 3:15. But what's great is usually, historically, that break from 2 p.m. all the way until bash starts at 8, that's a big gap. And most people are just usually go back to their hotel, they go take a nap, they go walk the strip. We're usually in Las Vegas. But you do have a big window here. So I would encourage you, because of the way that, scheduling with Expo lasted an extra hour this year, Once the expo hall shuts down, make your way over to my session, and we're going to be there until 5 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. I'll be there doing book signing. I'll have a couple of books to give away as well. And if you want to come, make sure you add this session to your agenda. It would be super awesome to just have a full room. So I'm really looking forward to that one there. And I just want to remind you that we're also going to cut the time, right? Because by the time you're done with me at 5, then that window to wait for Bash is a lot smaller. So you can go get yourself a little bite to eat, because there usually is food at Bash. So don't stuff yourself with dinner before Bash, because there will be food at Bash and you don't want to make that little rookie mistake. And then Bash is from 8 to 11. No word on where it's going to be. It's going to be, in my opinion, one of two places. It's either going to be in the keynote hall right next to the expo hall, or fingers crossed, it'll be in Disney's California Adventure. The event cannot happen in Disneyland because Disneyland is going to be shutting down early that day for a special ticketed event, Star Wars night. But Disney's California Adventure is open, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's over there. Otherwise, if I was a betting person, it's most likely going to be inside of where the keynotes were hosted, which is going to be adjacent to the expo hall. Anyways, that's it for this video. Are you going to Team 25? If so, let me know. If you're not, I hope that FOMO's kicking in. There's still some time. I am including a discount code. You can still get 20% off. So I have my discount code down below. If you're interested, you can definitely sign up for Team 25. It's still not too late. It's getting a little bit more expensive, and the longer you wait, the more expensive it is. So check out that discount code down below, and I will hopefully see you at Team 25. I'm really looking forward to it. Lots of content coming. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be reporting everything, all major announcements, and doing a bunch of stuff. I'm probably going to be dropping about 100 videos during that week of Team 25. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you get value from this video, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.